In this new training course, we'll spend our time on products that make maintenance decisions easier, make people into competent contributors, and make reviewing hundreds of thousands of data points the computer's job. We will be talking about products, but we don't sell any products. We're product agnostic. I want to help you get up to speed with all the cool new technology that's out there. We'll discuss cutting edge products like IIoT sensors or artificial intelligence or drones or virtual and augmented reality. There's a window of opportunity today in high tech products. Everybody wants cool products, but wants someone else to be first. A few brave people started leading the way. Now, us regular folks are starting to sign on a dotted line for some of this tech. In some cases, the technology's been around for a while. Advances in enabling technology have made it more powerful, easier to use. Example might be virtual reality training. You know, the military and commercial aviation have widely used this for years. They've refined it to the point where it's now reasonably priced immersive training environments. And a good example of this is Lincoln Electric uses those same ideas to train their students successfully in virtual reality welding. We encourage participants to talk about their efforts with products, including lessons learned, mistakes, and recommendations. The course focuses on 4 areas that are exciting and have generated hard cash returns: sensors, advanced training, computer systems, and artificial intelligence. And the great thing about this is we don't even know where all this will turn out. I want to invite you to join us and get yourself up to speed on the new products and share your expertise with the class. Thanks very much. Hope to see you there. All of our courses are available for in-house training. Check us out